Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to delete a folder on SharePoint. Let's get straight into it. First, sign in to SharePoint Online and open the site that contains the folder you want to delete. In the Quick Launch bar on the left side of the screen, find your document library. That's where your folders are stored. Click the library name to open it. If you don't see your library in the Quick Launch bar, you can also click Settings and then Site Contents to find it there. Once the library opens, you'll see all your folders and files displayed in either a list or grid view. Now, locate the folder you want to delete in the library view. Hover your cursor over the folder row. As you do, a checkbox will appear on the left side. Click that checkbox to select the folder. You'll see a checkmark appear in the far left column, and the entire folder row will become highlighted. Just make sure you're clicking the checkbox and not the folder name itself. Clicking the name will open the folder instead. With your folder selected, look up at the command bar at the top of the document library page. You'll see a delete button there. Go ahead and click it. Once you click delete, a confirmation dialog box will pop up in the center of the screen asking you to confirm the deletion. In the confirmation dialog, you'll see a delete button. Click it to confirm that you want to delete the folder. Once you click it, SharePoint processes the deletion and a status message will appear in the library view confirming the item has been deleted. The folder and all of its contents, any files or subfolders inside it, will be removed from the library and you won't see them in the view anymore. Just so you know, deleted folders don't disappear permanently right away. They go to the site recycle bin, where they stay for up to 93 days. During that time, you can restore the folder if you need to get it back. Also, when you delete a folder, it deletes everything inside it, all the files and any subfolders, so double check that's what you want before you confirm the deletion. Thanks for watching. If this was useful, smash that like button, and I'll see you in the next video.